Before we jump in, make sure you hit subscribe, check the links in the description for the best available deals, and drop a comment sharing your own experience with car toolkits or which one you're thinking of picking up. If you've ever been stuck with a loose battery terminal, a mysterious rattle, or a simple repair that turned into a trip to the mechanic, you already know the frustration of not having the right tools when you need them most. The good news is that a solid toolkit can save you time, money, and stress. And in this video I'm counting down the top 5 toolkits every car owner should have to help you choose the one that actually fits your needs and your garage. Starting at number 5, the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set is designed to cover a wide range of mechanical and household tasks with one organized package. This set includes a full assortment of metric and SAE sockets, combination wrenches, hex keys, screwdrivers, and specialty bits, all made from alloy steel for strength and durability. The tools are neatly arranged in a heavy-duty blow-molded case with clearly marked slots, making it easy to see when something is missing and quick to grab the right tool. The ratchets feature a polished finish and are built to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, which adds confidence when you're applying torque on stubborn fasteners. In real-world use, this Crescent kit feels like a dependable all-rounder that's perfect for car owners who want professional-grade quality without buying individual tools one by one. The fit and finish are solid, the sockets engage cleanly, and the case keeps everything secure, whether it's stored in your trunk or garage. It's especially well suited for DIYers who handle routine maintenance like brake jobs, battery replacements, and interior repairs. The only downside is that the set doesn't include as many deep sockets as some larger kits, but overall it's still an excellent value for its quality. At number 4, the KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit stands out immediately because of its sheer size and variety. This massive set includes a wide selection of metric and SAE sockets, multiple ratchets, extension bars, combination wrenches, screwdrivers, precision drivers, pliers, a hammer, a tape measure, and a broad range of bits. All tools are forged from high-quality steel and finished with a chrome coating to resist corrosion. Everything comes packed into a sturdy rolling case, with drawers and compartments designed to keep even small pieces organized and accessible. What really makes the KingTool kit shine is its versatility, making it ideal for car owners who also tackle home repairs and general maintenance. You can go from tightening a suspension bolt to fixing a cabinet hinge without switching toolkits, which is incredibly convenient. It's a great choice for families or shared garages where one set needs to handle almost everything. The minor drawback is that the large case can be bulky to move around, but considering how much you get, that's a small trade-off. Coming in at number 3, the DEKOPRO 228-piece socket wrench auto repair tool set is clearly built with automotive work in mind. This kit features a comprehensive range of metric and SAE sockets, including deep sockets, along with 3 different ratchet sizes, universal joints, extension bars, and spark plug sockets. The tools are made from chrome vanadium steel for high strength and long-term durability, and the ratchets are designed with a quick release button and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Everything is housed in a compact, rugged case that's easy to store and transport. In practical use, the DEKOPRO set feels focused and efficient, making it a great option for car owners who do frequent mechanical work. The inclusion of deep sockets and specialty automotive pieces makes jobs like working in tight engine bays much easier. It's especially well suited for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on maintenance and repairs. The small downside is that it doesn't include as many general household tools, but as an automotive-focused kit, it delivers exactly what it promises. At number 2, the Amazon Basics 173-piece tool set offers a surprisingly well-rounded package from a brand known for simplicity and value. This set includes a selection of metric and SAE sockets, a ratchet, combination wrenches, screwdrivers, hex keys, pliers, and a variety of bits, all made from chrome-plated alloy steel for durability and corrosion resistance. The tools are neatly stored in a compact hard-shell case with molded slots that keep everything secure and organized. What makes this Amazon Basics kit appealing is its balance between quality and affordability, making it ideal for new car owners or anyone building their first tool collection. The tools feel solid, perform reliably for routine maintenance, and cover most basic automotive tasks without unnecessary extras. It's a practical choice for everyday use and occasional repairs. The minor drawback is that it's not designed for heavy-duty professional work, but for the average car owner, it's more than capable. Taking the top spot at number 1, the CRAFTSMAN 230-piece mechanics tool set earns its ranking with a strong reputation and a comprehensive lineup. This set includes an extensive range of metric and SAE sockets, deep sockets, ratchets, combination wrenches, drive tools, and specialty pieces, all crafted from durable alloy steel with a full polish chrome finish. The ratchets feature a smooth 72-tooth mechanism for precise control in tight spaces, and everything is organized in a sturdy, portable case designed for easy access and long-term use. In real-world performance, the CRAFTSMAN kit feels like a serious investment that pays off every time you open the case. The tools are precise, durable, and comfortable to use, making this set ideal for dedicated DIY mechanics and car owners who want a long-term solution they can rely on for years. It's versatile enough for everything from routine maintenance to more advanced repairs. The only small downside is that it comes at a higher price point, but the quality and coverage easily justify the cost. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 toolkits every car owner should have. Each of these sets stands out by offering the right mix of quality, organization, and value, whether you're just starting out or upgrading to a more complete setup. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, don't forget to subscribe, check the description links for the best deals, and leave a comment letting us know which toolkit you'd pick and why.